Kabayo. Ya, tigidig.
Kaya tuloy na eh.
Tuliling.
Ba? Kalmado ah. Kalmado pero naalog yung ano sasakyan ah. Inaano pa niya eh.
This is fun. That's a joke.
That's a joke. Uy. That's a joke.
That's a joke. Ben, tingnan natin. So, ano na to? Napisap na, hirap na.
Ay, tapos na eh.
Hammer.
Hammer. Sino naman ang hamiran mo?
Yung kabayo.
Ayaw tumakbo, no? Hamirin na tayo.
Like there's new flowers.
5 little monkey.
Dad, they're for you.
Sige ka.
No.
Monkey,
The
monkey.
flowers are
Ay, nako.
under the bush.
Ang monkey, monkey. Monkey,
Mommy,
monkey.
stop! The flowers are under the bush.
Push.
The bush?
Look.
Yes.
That's a flower under the bush.
Oh, push it. We push it.
No, the flowers are under the bush.
Yes.
Under the push it?
Yeah.
What's push it?
No, the under the bush. No, look. Under the grass.
Under the press.
Under the grass.
Look.
Wala.
Look, look. Do this. Under my flower.
Nasubukan yung ano.
Mas madali intindihin kasi hindi talaga maintindihan eh. Aki, ano the favorite sport mo? King, kiri-ri-ri-ri-ri-ring. Natapos na. Kiri-ri-ri-ri-ring.
Thank you.
Kiri-ri-ri-ri. Kiri-ri-ri-ri-ri-ri-ri.
Tatagal ka.
You.
Shop te. Shop yan. Stop yan ah. Kami maruya lang ah. Kami maruya lang. Chef yan na, Miyaki.
No.
I know.
Para daw di ka manghingi. Ay, pati pala bag.
No.
That's the key.
Sabi ko.
Kaya tubusin.
No, Nay. Ubusin mo yan.
That's it.
Kaya mo yan, Nay. Sa akin, cheers, Nanay. Cheers mo sa Nanay. Go, Nanay. Go, Nanay. Kaya mo yan, Nay.
Don't disturb me.
Dad.
Don't disturb.
Dapat tubig binili mo kay Nanay. Juice binili mo?
Ito, ano to?
Orange. Orange.
Hindi ko na kaya na.
Nung hindi mo na kaya, busin mo yan. Pwede. Hindi pwede, kaya mo yan.
Kailangan sukat niya.
Go, tate, go, tate. Go, tate, go, tate. Cheers mo sa akin.
Yeah.
Maruya nga, hindi ko na rin kaya eh. Ay, kaya ba?
Parang matabang. Kulangan tayong pitik ng asin din.
Dami mo alam, kanina lang sabi mo masarap. Busog ka lang.
Malamig kulang.
My
No.
house.
Are your house
My house is working. My
House
house is
broken.
working.
broken?
Nakatingin.
Busin ko lang to.
Busin mo yan.
Mamaya.
No, busin mo na ngayon.
Hindi ko na kaya.
My sit down. Sit down.
Dito daw siya upo.
Napaka
Sit down. Did you? Dad?
Kaya mo yan, Nay.
Happy?
Are you happy? Ate mo, tulala na.
That's okay. Are you happy, Dad?
Hmm?
Sakto lang.
Hindi na maubos.
Dad, are you happy, Dad? Okay? Yes. Good job.
Good job.
Okay, take a read. Watchy. Ah. Wow. Sayaw.
Kakaloko.
Oh, tate. May. Parang may laman ah. Nangas yung mukha niya eh.
That's a joke.
Pwede kayo tapon to dyan.
Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share,